Ancient Egyptian god of resurrection Osiris is the oldest surviving symbol of the Tree of Life, recognized today as the acacia, which is extremely rich in extractable potentials of DMT. DMT, we understand, is naturally occurring within the human brain, spinal fluid, lungs, and eyes. Osiris, we find, is etymologically associated with the human eye, which is responsible for resurrecting reality via its interaction with photons of light. Iris is ancient Greek for rainbow and the array of colours across the electromagnetic spectrum. Osiris's green skin and conical headdress appear to align in accordance with the chief photoreceptors within the retina and pineal gland, which is also recognised as a third eye. Should it surprise us then that the hieroglyphs traditionally associated with Osiris translate directly as seat of perception? I'm Vooght, and searching for Osiris from the Tree of Life is available via Amazon.